Good morning. Well, today we've got a run to do. We're going to raise some money for a local animal shelter. It's a no-kill shelter, and this run is called the HOGS for Dogs. It's taking place out of Renegade Harley-Davidson in Springfield, Missouri. So they invite us to join them on this, so we're going to come down and donate like everybody else and help raise some money and take a scenic ride through the Ozarks. Make sure you guys check out the ride here with us, and I hope you guys are out doing some good things like this and stuff and helping your community, representing us in a positive way. It's a big part of being a motorcyclist, in my opinion. We like to do charity rides and things. So, I mean, everybody does it for their own reasons, but it's a good reason to get out and ride. So anytime we've got an excuse to ride and raise money for something, it's a plus. Let's get on the road. We're going to head over to Renegade, get registered, and see what this ride's all about. We've never done this ride, and they've been doing it for 21 years, I think, now. And so we're going to check this out. Maybe this will become an annual event. We'll see how much money they can raise today. All right, we made it to Renegade Harley-Davidson. We're going to go up here and get registered. They're lining all the bikes up and stuff. When we get done with the ride, they're supposed to provide lunch and stuff like that. So they've got a big crowd here. Registration isn't supposed to start for like 9 more minutes, and there's a lot of bikes here already. On Facebook, it said like 83 coming, but looking around the parking lot, I'd say half them people are here already. I expect there'll be more than 100 if it keeps growing like this before the kick stands up in about an hour. So let's go get registered and get on the lineup. All right, there's a big turnout here. They've got to split up in 2 groups, Group A and Group B, and we're in Group B here, so we're getting ready to take off here in a few minutes, but it looks like a good turnout. Somebody said last year there was 200 bikes here, so let's go enjoy some of the Ozark scenery. What do you think? All right, we have made it to our halfway point here. We're stopped at the Buckeye. There are bikes lined up back there. I'm gonna guess we're 100 strong in each group. 200 bikes showed up today. Now, this is one of those occasions that, you know, I mean, we ride in a group a lot, usually a smaller group, but this is a pretty big group, but it is pretty cool to see those bikes stretched out as far as you can see when you get in a straight stretch, forwards and back. We're right in the middle of the pack today. So, you know, it's kind of a cool, different view for me. I know some people don't like riding in a group. I get it. These guys have been very well organized. We've had law enforcement helping us get out at a few intersections. They've got road captains, sweeps, and everybody's been doing a good job of riding formation, and everything's gone really well so far. So it's been a good time. It's for a really good cause. I'll be interested to see how much money we raise. When I find out, I will make sure I pin it in a comment down below. So check that comment and see if we got a total yet for what we raised today for this ride. But we're gonna get back on the bike here in a minute and hit some more 2-lane roads. It's been a beautiful day. All right, well, they fed us a hamburger or hot dog and chips and drink all for free when we got back here. They did announce how many riders and how much money we raised, and they raised over $7,000 from registered riders. That's not counting like the t-shirt sales and bandanas and donations, and they had some sponsors and stuff. So I'm sure they raised Well over $8,000 just from the riders alone, so that's a great deal. It's going to really help out this new facility, help them get fence around it. The facility they're helping is a no-kill shelter that is not got any, doesn't get any funds from the state or the city or anything like that. That operates purely off donations, so it's great to help out with that. The puppies were cute. We had a good time hanging out and petting the puppies and stuff. So we're gonna get on the road to get home. We got a ways to go still, but hope you guys got out and did something good this weekend, and maybe did something generous, help others in need. Y'all stay safe, keep on riding. We'll see you in the next one.